Okay, this is a quick video. I'm going to show you guys a couple things. We got the posts up. We're doing a 40 by 18 melenia. And you can see there are 6 total posts. And 6 on this side. What you've got to do is, it's kind of tricky. You got to follow what the video says. Don't dig these in until they're positioned right. And get a team of 3 people if you're going to do a big one like this. So one person picks up these 2, the other person picks up these 2, and the other person picks up these 2 and moves them over so you get perfectly square. It took us a long time to get this thing pretty close to perfectly square. Now, we're using this over here. So if you live in gopher land like we do, we're in Southern California and there's gophers everywhere, we're afraid they're going to come up onto the liner. So we're going to put this cloth down. And we're going to hold the 2 cloth, they're 36 inches, so every 36 inches we're going to put some of this striping tape here. It's used to strap pipes to places where they're going to be stored. And then you want to make sure you laser level every one of these pads so that they're at the same level as the top of your metal down here. You want to make sure it's the same level as that. So you go around, if you have the money, invest in one of these laser levels. They're really nice. This is the Bosch one. Works really well. You just go around, it beeps, and if it's doing the rapid beep in the same spot, usually a little low, then everything's about the same within about 1/4 of an inch. Which if you look at the track, it's almost 1/2 inch to 1 inch in depth, so you're not going to have anything jump the track. Thanks for watching.